Here's a quick look at the Ferris wheel project I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. This is actually version 3 and now the effort is finally paying off. The structure feels solid, it's easy to print and the rotation is getting much closer to what I wanted. You might notice this slight vibration here as it moves around, but I am currently waiting for a new build that should smoothen out that movement completely. So everything's prepared for it, it's just that tiny build I'm missing right now. There are no LED installed yet, but the model is designed for full LED integration into these support structures here, and it will be covered off so the light will be smoothened out and come out from the sides, so it should look really awesome. And I think it's going to transform the whole piece, especially for night layouts. This will look incredible on your slot car track. You can of course print it in all kinds of different colors. This was just what I went for. I think this is very carnival-like sort of one of those fairs that go to a town, is there for a week or a couple of days and then moves on. And this Ferris wheel will be part of my upcoming carnival-themed Kickstarter, together with lots of other scenery, items and characters designed specifically for slot car tracks and dioramas. And for those supporting the project on Patreon, the Ferris wheel will be included as part of the membership during my upcoming Kickstarter campaign, giving members access at a significant lower overall cost compared to the public release. And this will also be released on Kickstarter together with the entire carnival-themed pack I'm working on. So there will be carousels, there'll be all sort of smaller scenery items, there'll be a horror house, a loft tunnel and so on, all the kinds of stuff you would expect from a carnival. And it's been quite a process of testing, adjusting and refining, but I think this version finally feels right. I just wanted to share a behind the scenes look at what it is right now, and I think this ended up looking really good, and it's very easy to print. All parts are named, prepared, and most of the stuff is supportless, but there are a couple of parts that will need support, but it's very clearly stated when I release it which ones and how to do everything. So I think this will be a strong release. Hope you all like it, and thanks for watching.